Hi, I'm Ann Mooney. I'm a personal chef and a food writer. I write for Simply the Best magazine out of Delray Beach, Florida. And today I'm here on behalf of Expert Village. And we're going to talk about making Bernaise sauce as part of our series on the egg. Bernaise is an egg-based sauce, and it's actually thickened with egg yolks. And here I've done the egg yolk and butter emulsion. And so what we're going to do is the reduction of vinegar and shallots that will flavor the sauce and make it typically a Bernaise. So we're going to put in a small saucepan 3 tablespoons of champagne vinegar and 3 tablespoons of dry white wine. I'm using a Sauvignon Blanc. You can use Pinot Grigio or any other dry white wine. And I'm going to put tarragon sprigs, like so, to flavor, and 2 tablespoons of chopped shallots. I put a little bit more. This is art, it's not science. Now, we're going to make a reduction out of that vinegar and wine to where we're going to reduce it to where it's almost dry. And then we'll strain the solids out of it and put it in our thickened sauce and add a little more chopped tarragon, and we'll have Bernaise. Bernaise is typically used on top of steak, that's the classic, filet mignon, or fish. And it's perfectly wonderful on any meaty fish like a salmon or a swordfish or a grouper. So here goes our reduction. Okay, now you can see that we have a lovely reduction. The liquid has reduced to about 2 tablespoons here. We're going to remove the tarragon sprig, throw it in the garbage, and then strain the shallots. As you can see, there are shallot lumps in there. We're going to strain that out of the sauce reduction. So we're left now with about 1.5 tablespoons of liquid. And we are going to whisk that in to our egg-based sauce here. Along with a little chopped tarragon. I would say that was a good teaspoon or tablespoonful of tarragon. And there you have it, a Bernaise sauce fit for a king. See my other cooking tips on Expert Village.